Yes, you guys, we're gonna be doing some miracle knots today, so definitely stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. So I started off with my hair looking like this. My hair is already pre-braided and ready for the crochet hair to be added into it. The hair I'm going to be using today is from Eon Air, and this is what the hair looks like. This is their loose deep wave crochet human hair, and this one is a natural color, and I got 4-pack. I also got this little packet with a crochet needle, a comb, and some clips in it. To do the style, you're gonna need a crochet needle, and I use this gel to braid my hair. It's so amazing from Lock and Sleek, and that's the reason why I'm showing it to you. I got my hair prepared and hanging on my braider's rack, and this makes everything so much easier because I feel like this is like one of the hardest part of doing my hair. For each braid, I'm going to be using 3 pieces, but this is what one piece look like. So to start, I'm just going to grab my hair, which is already pre-braided, and I'm going to braid one of the crochet human hair onto the end of it. I'm going to make sure that I grab enough of my hair so that when I braid it in there, it doesn't unravel and fall off. Once I get it in and I feel like it's secure enough, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my crochet needle, and I'm gonna put the crochet needle into the middle part of my hair because this is where I'm gonna be adding the second one. So I put the hair on the hook of the crochet needle and pull it right through, and then I'm gonna just open the loop right there and pull the other piece of the hair into it and pull that all the way through. Now I'm going to move on to the third one, and for the third one I'm going to be putting that one directly in the root of my hair. And I'm going to hook it the same way that I hooked the middle piece. I put the hair onto the crochet needle, pull it through, and then I loop it and pull that all the way through, and that's going to keep it in there until I'm ready to take it out. I'm going to go ahead and do this third one just the same. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the one in the root just the same. Stick the crochet needle through. I apologize for the blurriness of my camera. I didn't know it was doing that. And here we go, all done with that last one that I put in the root. And this is what it looks like, y'all. This is what it should look like. How neat is that? This is a hairstyle that I feel like you could do on your own, do it on yourself. And if you can't do the braids like I have it right now, you could ask somebody to do it for you, and then you do the rest yourself. You know what I mean? Because I know sometimes it might be hard to part your hair how you want yourself. But yeah, if you could get somebody to braid up your hair like that, then you could easily attach these hair yourself. And again, we just attaching the middle one right now. I pushed the crochet needle through the hair, and now I'm going to attach the hair onto it and pull it right through. Well, not all the way through. Pull it through and then take the rest of the hair through that loop right there, and that's how you're going to loop it onto the hair to keep it in place. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing in the back again. Push the crochet needle right through the root of the hair, attach the hair and make a loop and pull it right through. I'm now up to the front. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more on camera for you guys before I get to the end and show you guys what the result look like. And since it's the same thing I'm doing over and over, but I really don't want to cut the video, I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, let the music play and you guys could watch and see what I'm doing. I'll certainly cut back in if there's anything else that I need to share while we're, you know, going through it. here I am doing the last one for you guys, and I am so excited to reach the end because I just want to see what the end result is gonna look like so bad. And of course, I'll let you guys know how long it took me to do it and how many packs I used. After I was all done with it, I sprayed it with some water and put it in a bun while I did my makeup, just to, you know, define the curls more and stuff like that, just to moisturize the curls. And it turned out looking very good. This is the finished look, you guys. I am so in love with it. Tell me what you think. I really think it came out so nice. The length is perfect, the curls are beautiful, everything about it is just so amazing. Look at the back, y'all. Like, that looks so good. And the hair is very easy to manage. Also, I must note, it's easy to put up in a ponytail, in a bun, all of that good stuff. It's just easy to style and everything. I personally love to wear it this way that I'm styling it right now, and I'm not gonna be doing too much style with it for this video, but yeah, this is really my very favorite look. Whenever I do this style, it doesn't even matter what hair I use, I just love wearing it like this. To complete the style, I used 3.5 pack of the 4 packs they sent to me. The style took me about 5 hours to complete, including braiding my hair before I start adding in the human hair. Again, the hair is from Eon, and I'm gonna be leaving all the information down in the description box so you guys could find it. And also, they do have other hair on their website, just in case you see something different that you like from this one that I'm wearing. But I absolutely love this. I love the curls, I love everything about it. It's just so amazing, and it feels great as well. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I would really appreciate that. Thank you again, guys, for tuning into my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.